We pay tribute to Americans who defended the people of South Korea, soldiered through the brutal battles of Vietnam, stood up to a tyrant in Desert Storm, and stopped ethnic cleansing in the Balkans. Do not target specific ethnic groups. I reiterated my belief that Iraq will be more secure and more successful if there is a place for all Iraqi citizens to thrive, including all of Iraq's ethnic and religious groups. That includes ethnic and religious minorities in China, as surely as it includes minorities within the United States. And that cuts across region, it cuts across racial lines, it cuts across religious or ethnic lines. Sometimes the laws have been restrictive to certain ethnic groups. But through the struggles of slaves and immigrants, women and ethnic minorities, former colonies and persecuted religions, we have learned better than most that the longing for freedom and human dignity is not English or American or Western. It is universal, and it beats in every heart. Like so many ethnic groups, Jews faced prejudice and sometimes violence as they sought their piece of the American dream.
When she was freed, she went right back to work, fighting for the rights of women and ethnic minorities and political prisoners.
We also think it's important that there is a political aspect to this, that all the various factions and ethnic groups inside of Afghanistan recognize that it's time to end 30 years of war. The arrest of fugitives like Ratko Mladic, charged with ethnic cleansing in Bosnia. The world sent a message to war criminals everywhere: we will not relent in bringing you to justice. That includes building credible government institutions, establishing rule of law, ending ethnic conflicts, and ensuring that the people of this country have access to greater education, health care, and economic opportunity. Preliminary ceasefires have been reached with ethnic armies, and new laws allow for a more open. If you do, you can show the world that you are not just a member of a tribe or ethnic group, but citizens of a great and proud nation. Assad's tyranny that is intact and inclusive of all ethnic and religious groups, and that's the source of stability, not extremism, because it's in the profound interests of all our nations, especially Turkey. So again, Mr. Prime Minister, I want to thank you for being here and for being times in the past where government held back progress, and in sometimes ethnic conflict held back progress. And obviously